What's up everyone, we just have a quick CapCut tutorial today. We're just going to cover how I did this effect. Basically we just used the chroma key effect like from the last tutorial video. How did we do that? Quick run through. Select your video clip, select the cutout option, chroma key, and what I did was I selected basically a color that was in between the color of my skin and the color of my hair. I just kind of did that by finding an area on my skin that had a shadow on it. It kind of registers it as a brownish color. And what we've done is adjusted the intensity right to around 1 or 2. I think it might have been on 2, maybe 2 or 3. I mean, honestly, the intensity is up to your discretion. I also adjusted the shadow up to about 44 or 43, just because I just, that's just where I wanted it. The shadow kind of controls, let's see what the shadow does. It kind of controls like how much is just straight cut through and how much is kind of faded into a shadow. So there we go. Let's just select that at 43. But how did I make the chroma keyed section pink like that? How did I do that? Okay. So I selected outside of the video clips. I just selected down in between these options at the bottom and in between our timeline editor. So I just selected an empty space. Hey, look at this, canvas. Canvas on the far right. It should be blinking. I'm kind of putting my hand over it. Let's just select canvas. Color. I selected a color. See, we can choose pretty much whatever color it gives us. This might only be an option for the Pro version, honestly, I'm not sure. But I went ahead and selected a pink color, pressed the OK button, and now anything that it tells to be transparent, it will show up as our canvas color or our background color. Basically the bottom layer of our videos. I'm sure there are more options, I just haven't discovered them yet, but there you go. There's a free tutorial on how to do the effect in this video. Take care.